One good example of this also, we drink tea regularly, but great lessons to learn from tea. Tea was just plain water before, but when it stayed in the company of the tea leaves, just for 2-3 minutes, its name changed, no more water, tea. Its quality changed, water cools you down, tea lifts you up. Price change, water you give free to one another. Cup of tea you'll pay 10 rand for it. And the color change, water was clear, tea became black. But this is when it's in hot water. If you put the tea leaves in cold water, nothing will happen. Which means your relationship with your sheikh must be a hot relationship. Then you're going to benefit. If it's a cold relationship, you won't benefit. And then the sheikh will make effort on you now, and he'll put the milk, your ibadat will come right now. Now whiteness will come. But still you don't drink that tea, no sugar. The sheikh will make effort on your akhlaq, your character. Now sweetness will come. But that sweetness will just be still in the bottom of the tea. In order that it mixes in all the tea and the whole cup becomes enjoyable. You need a spoon, not a twig, not a piece of grass. It's not going to stir the tea. And a spoon, when you move it, it's going to make noise. Like the panel beater knocking the car that came in accident and taking out all the dents and make it a recondition, like a brand new car again. And you also think when it was in accident, how it was. Today it looks like a brand new car. That is a panel beater recondition. Shaykh will make you Allah recondition. And you are also a person worse than that car in an accident. But with the Shaykh, now your muamalat will also come right. Everything will be right. And such tea, you don't say only labdos, lapsos, labrays, but you'll say harros. Such delicious tea, every day I want such tea. A person will become, every person, Dil Aziz, everyone will love him. Usually a wife will praise her husband only 2 times in her life. One is before marriage, she boasts, I'm marrying so and so, he's like this, he's like this, I got this man here, he's like this. And one is after you die. In between, you must forget your wife will praise you. And the wife will have some good word for you. But even if you go through this process, your wife will also praise you. She will also have respect and regard for you if you go through this process.